TileMate, the small, powerful companion that helps you find your things. Small and light, TileMate is designed to easily hook onto your keys, drop in your purse, or stick on your bike. When your things get lost, TileMate is there to help you find them. Ring TileMate to quickly find your remote control. Or use the Tile app to retrace your steps and see where you left your car on the map. If it's your phone that you're looking for, just press the button on any of your tiles and your phone will ring, even on silent. And if your bike goes missing, Tile can still help you find it. Just ask to be notified. Then, when any user in Tile's global network comes within range of your missing bike, the Tile app will alert you of its most recent location. TileMate, the simple, easy way to find your things. Get TileMate today and never worry about losing anything again. Tile. Find what matters.
Do you know what you're breathing indoors? Do you think the air is clean at home? Well, I beg to differ. The air indoors is about 5 times more polluted than the air outdoors. Do you wonder why you start coughing when you get home? Or why you're having an allergic reaction every time you enter your laundry room? It might be volatile organic compounds that are polluting your home, or household items and chemicals, such as detergents, cosmetics, carpets, or even your romantic soothing candles. I am iBaby Air, a smart air quality monitor and purifier. I'm here to make sure you and your family are breathing clean, fresh air, alerting you every time the air quality drops. Functioning as an air station, I allow you to see data from iBaby Air monitors near you. For comparison, when I detect a decrease in air quality, I'll send an alert straight to your phone and will automatically start purifying the air with ions. Also, I will provide you with graphs and suggestions to improve your lifestyle. I'll make sure you're living a happy, healthy life, just like I did for this family.
Get the money,